Okay, so for question A, I've got A equals P1 plus RT. My principal is 500. My R is 0.065 because we take 6.5 divided by 100. And then my time is 1.5, and that goes straight in the calculator to get me my A value. Okay, so calculator out and start it again. So we got 500 bracket 1 plus 0.065 bracket, close the bracket. If you just keep brackets, it'll automatically multiply and you'll get 548.75. So 548.75. And then we've got A minus P. So A is 548.75. And I minus my principal value of 500. And so that comes to 48.75. And that's going to be my interest. All right, that's going to be my interest over here. So my final answer here will be $48.75 for that question. All right, so the next one here for B, we can see A equals P1 plus RT. My principal amount I don't have. My A I don't have either. But I do have my R, which is going to be 0.03 because I just have to divide that by 100. And then my time is 5 years. But now, because this is equal to A minus P, I'm going to move the P over, and I'm going to say this is the same as 142.50 plus A plus P will equal P times this here, which is 1 plus 0.03 times 5, which is 1.15. And then from here, I'm going to minus this P across. Okay, so 142.5. Because here we want to find the principal amount, which is P. Will come to 0.15 P. And so we divide it by 0.15 on both sides. And my P will come to 142.5. So the quickest way would be to convert A into 142.5. Divided by 0.15 comes to 950. So P has to be 950. And if you worked it out, we'll get A. And then once we get A minus P, it'll come to 142. So the biggest thing here is to say if A minus P equals 142.5, swap these two around. A minus 142.5 is equal to P, or 142 plus P equals A. So we could, if we move the P over, we're left with A. If we move that over, we could be left with P. All right, so the best one, the one we did here was we isolated P. So I just want to move that. We isolated A, just want to move that across. So A equals 142.5 plus P. And then I put that whole thing in for A, replacing A, and then solving it. Here, 1.15 minus 1 is 0.15. Just as a note for that.